In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively harness Freshdesk Analytics, guiding you through this comprehensive tool to better navigate and extract insights that are crucial for tracking your team's performance or building custom reports. Freshdesk Analytics is a powerful module that enhances the way you analyze helpdesk performance by replacing legacy reports with a dynamic and interactive dashboard. Within this module, you'll encounter two major types of reports: curated reports and custom reports. Curated reports are pre-built dashboards that offer insights into essential areas like agent productivity, SLA adherence, and ticket volumes, helping you understand these critical aspects without having to build from scratch. On the other hand, custom reports enable you to personalize your analytics experience by combining multiple widgets, metrics, filters, and visualization types, allowing for a tailored insight into your data. Now, let's dive into getting started with building a custom report. First, you need to access Analytics. Navigate to the Analytics tab within Freshdesk, where you'll find options to explore curated, custom, private, and shared reports. This is your portal to a wealth of data insights. Once you're in, you'll want to start a new report by clicking on New Report. Choose a meaningful name that captures the essence of what this report will focus on. You will also need to decide on your privacy setting, selecting whether the report will be private, shared, or owned. This choice determines who can access the report and is essential for maintaining security and confidentiality, depending on your organizational needs. After setting up the basics of your report, it's time to add widgets and metrics. This involves using the widget library or gallery to choose the types of visuals that best represent your data. Each widget can be customized by assigning up to 4 different metrics, incorporating relevant filters, and defining group by dimensions to refine how the data is displayed. To further refine the data presented in your report, you can apply filters. Filters can be set at various levels, whether at the widget, the page, or the entire report level, to narrow down the data by specific dates, groups, particular agents, or other criteria that are relevant to what you are analyzing. Once you have your widgets and filters in place, you can customize the report layout. Adjusting the layout, such as setting it to a 16:9 aspect ratio, ensures that your report is easily viewable and can meet any presentation standards you may have. After adjusting, don't forget to save your report. If you need to refine it later, you can edit, clone, or delete reports as necessary. Looking forward, you might want to schedule and share reports. Freshdesk allows you to automate the emailing of your custom reports, making regular distribution easy and efficient. Additionally, you can share these reports with other agents or groups by providing them with view, edit, or manage permissions to suit their roles within your team. Finally, let's talk about exporting your data. You can export full reports as PDFs if you need a snapshot of the entire report, or export individual widget data as CSV files if you want to delve further into the underlying data, whether it's raw data or summarized graph information. By integrating these steps into your workflow, you can utilize Freshdesk Analytics to its fullest potential, gaining valuable insights that drive better decision-making and streamlined helpdesk operations.